Hello, hi friends. Today I am going to discuss about how the Java programming will execute, and also you may able to know how the Java program will execute with the help of main method. Basically, it is a Java basic program. You can go through it. I will explain each and every word in this program. It is a hello world programming. In if you learn any programming language, you will start with the hello world program, as it is basic one. You have to know much more about it. In Java is an object oriented programming language, so each and everything will be in the form of class and object. Here you can see that the class is a public, because there will be access modifiers. There will be public and private protected, there will be there. I will explain each and everything in further tutorials. As of now, it is public means it can be accessible anywhere. As it is public, for example, public parks or public roads, it can be accessible to all the public. In the same manner, it is a public class, it can be accessible to all over the any classes. So that's why it is public. And the class, here the class is named as hello world jet. Each and every programming, the class name, the programming will name as dot java with that class name. For example, here the class name is hello world. It can be saved as hello world dot java. In this manner you can save it as hello world.java. The name of the class is hello world. Then after writing the class name, then you can go through inside the class. Here there will be public static void main, and the arguments as string arguments, it accepting the string as arguments. In static methods, why here the keyword static is used means, in with the help of static, there is no need to create an object. We can easily call with the help of that class name. So that's why, for as it is a main method, there is no need to create for separate objects in order to call this class in this method. So that's why it is mentioned as static. There is no need to create a object for separate object for calling this one. So that's why here the keyword is static. In the further tutorials you can learn more about this static keyword. And it is not accepting anything, so that's why it is void. And it accepting as string arguments. Then going into that main method, there will be system.out.println, a print, and in the inside that there will be statement hello world. Here you can see that system is a class name, and here creating out as an object. With the help of that object we are calling the print method. Whatever the thing we are written inside that print method, you can get as an output of the statement. Whatever it here, it act as a print. In C programming can write printf for printing the statement. Here we can write system.out.print in order to print the statement inside the body. So it is the hello world program.